Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will study about data tables. A data table stores data in a similar form to a database table. Data is stored in a set of fields called columns and records, which is rows. The data table class is a central class in ADO.NET architecture. It can be used independently and in dataset object. A data table consists of column collection and a row collection, and one more constraints collection. The column collection combined with the constraint collection defines the data table schema, while the row collection contains the data, which is similar to our database table. Now let's see first column collection. The column collection is an instance of the data column collection class, and it is a container object for 0 or more data column object. The data column object defines the data table column, including the column name, the data type, and any primary key or incremental numbering information. Now let's see another row collection. The row collection is an instance of the data row collection class and is a container for 0 or more data row object. The data row object contains the data in the data table as defined by the data table dot columns dot collection. Each data row has one item per data column in the column collection. So this is about row collection. Now let's see constraint collection. The constraint collection is an instance of the constraint collection class and is a container for 0 or more foreign key constraints object and or a unique key constraint object. The foreign key constraint object defines the action to be taken on column in a primary key foreign key relationship when a row is updated or deleted, and the unique key constraint is used to force all the values in a column to be unique. So this is about data table, and it is a brief introduction of data table. We will use the data table in next video tutorial when we will retrieve data from the database. So this is the basic introduction to data table. Thank you.